welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan borscht. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We start with putting a tomato in a blender. Next is the beetroot that was left after making fermented beetroot juice. We also add garlic from the same fermented beetroot juice. Now an avocado. Some fermented beetroot juice. And at the end, some salt. We need to mix everything together. Now we just have to put it in a bowl and it's ready. You can warm it up, for example in a dehydrator before eating. Bon appetit!